How to remove your suggested account from your search history in Instagram. Okay. First off, a disclaimer, I will do this tutorial on my Android application, but you can always do so on your iOS device as well. So, okay, as always, for more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, okay? Here we go. Fire off your phone and go to your Instagram application from there. And then from your Instagram feed, as you can see, if you click the search button from your feed, you can see that there are a lot of suggested accounts that you have searched previously. And from there, you can always see the recent search history from your Instagram. You can see everything there. From there, if you want to clear your recent history, then you need to click See All. And from there, you can always click the close button next to the username or the display name of the things or accounts that you have searched previously. Like for example, I will delete Bucket Hat and Bucket Hat by closing it, clicking the close icon like so. And then if you want to clear all of your history like so, you can always click See All, and then from there you can click Clear All on the right next to the recent searches. And if there's any pop-up confirming that you want to clear your recent history, just click Clear All, and that's your search history gone. And that's pretty much it. That's how you remove suggested account from your Instagram account. Now your search history should be clear and clean. And that's pretty much how you do it. For more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure you subscribe, like and comment down to our channel. If you want to have more topics covered, then please comment our channel. Cheers, take care and goodbye too.